Have you ever wondered why airplanes fly or how water flows through a pipe so smoothly? The answer lies in the fascinating world of fluid dynamics, the science that explains how fluids like air and water move and interact with their surroundings. At the core of fluid dynamics are two types of flow: laminar flow and turbulent flow. In laminar flow, the fluid moves in smooth, orderly layers. Imagine honey slowly pouring out of a jar. Each layer moves smoothly over the other. On the other hand, turbulent flow is chaotic and unpredictable, like the whitewater rapids in a river. These flows are characterized by swirling, mixing patterns. One key principle in fluid dynamics is Bernoulli's principle, which helps explain how airplanes stay in the air. As air flows over the curved wings of a plane, it moves faster on top and slower underneath, creating a pressure difference that generates lift, allowing the plane to fly. Fluid dynamics also plays a huge role in everyday life, from weather systems and ocean currents to how your car moves through the air with minimal drag. It's all about understanding how forces like pressure, velocity, and viscosity interact in a fluid. So next time you see a flowing river or even a plane in the sky, remember, fluid dynamics is at work. Want to dive deeper into this amazing science? Subscribe to AI Explains It All for more exciting explanations. Drop a comment if there's a topic you'd love for us to cover.